leader?
Amritesh. I'll tell you. Once. Amritesh. Same. Okay. नहीं आज ये बहुत करनी So Kalpita, once we finish the promise, you and Anas will have to come forward and explain the crux of what we had yesterday, so that Mridubhashini, Amritesh, Aditya will be understanding. And then we are going for the round.
Okay.
Tomorrow, Kirtana again joins, but your team remains the same. Mridubhashini are attending tomorrow? No. So you after speak with them. So, promise, please. Amritesh, you got to repeat whatever. You got to repeat whatever he says. I pray and assure.
I pray and assure
My parents, my
teachers,
myself, to God, and to the person who has built this institution, that whatever I learn in these sessions will be put into practice immediately. I understand and I realize that this training is not only for school life and college life, but also for my entire life. Tools, techniques, strategies, ideas will be applied throughout my life. Might is my right. I fight my right. It's not over until I win. I can because I always believe I can. That's all. So Kalpita and Mohammad Anas will explain what we had been doing yesterday as a crux, so that Amritesh, Mridubhashini and Aditya will understand what has happened yesterday, so that they can carry forward. Your starting.
Yesterday we are having like a script. In one team there are 6 members, 3 narrators and 3 mind makers. They will be showing some actions, see the functions and narrated. And both the teams used physical games. Kirtana team used cricket. Our team used hockey and we played. And in last intro we are having like a presentation. Sir was asking some questions for everybody.
Was that good?
Good job, Anas.
And good evening, Aditya. So this is a group activity and it is named as Mind and Mouse. It's basically you have to create your own storyline and you have to enact like 2 people in a team have to convey everything in an unmuted basis, and there will be a narrator who says all these things.
So as Mohammad Anas and Kalpita had explained, this is about a group activity. I was explaining to Amritesh this morning, it was about non-verbal communication and all that. So today we will have the entire format changed a little bit, because people like Mridubhashini are attending only 3 days a week, so they need a good chance of speaking and communicating. So there is a slight alteration in the team. Team Balaji will be remaining the same with one inclusion, like Aditya will be in your team. Team Kirtana is now changed as Team Amritesh today and tomorrow. Tomorrow Kirtana will be coming back. Besides she coming back, it will still remain as Team Amritesh, because tomorrow Mridubhashini is not going to be there. Kirtana is going to be there. So Amritesh is going to be there tomorrow. So he will be the leader. If Amritesh stays on Friday, tomorrow being Wednesday, right? So if Amritesh stays on Thursday, then on Thursday also he will be the team leader. So Amritesh joins Team Kirtana. Mridubhashini replaces Kirtana. So the team goes like this. Listen to me very carefully. Team Amritesh, leader Amritesh, Mridubhashini number 2, Kalpita number 3, Mitra number 4, Nitika number 5, and the team Balaji number 1, Anas number 2, Hafiz number 3 and 4, Sibi number 5, Aditya number 6, and Chandan number 7.
Those two are yet to come, right?
Yeah, those two are active. So 2 members, right? So Chandan in the 4th grade and
No, sir. Chandan is in 3rd grade, sir.
Chandan 3rd grade.
2nd to 3rd, sir. Nitika is 4th to 5th,
Fourth,
sir.
fifth
Kavin
grade.
Raj class.
Right. Okay. So we need seniority. So I'm putting all you 4 as seniors, and I'm putting Balaji and Anas as seniors. Let me explain round number 2. A team talk of 15 to 20 minutes will be given, and you will have a sporting activity. And the sporting activity, the goalpost will be prepared by the team members yourselves. That all will be evaluated. So Amitesh, so far, Balaji's team has scored 370, and your team has scored 510. So that's the points they have gathered.
370.
70, yeah, and 510 the other team. So today it's your best chance to bounce up the score. Let me tell you what the activity is. It is kind of a skit. The skit is, you people have been players until 1995. Okay, so 1996 you all had to go to some other country, and you did not even play the game for about 15 to 20 years. So it's like a sci-fi genre. So what happens is, you all go back to the timeline and you become players after 15 years. Okay? So in the 15 years, you travel back to the timeline and you start playing for the country all over again. But the point is, you had a wonderful, a good gentleman as the coach or as the administrator way back when you were playing for India in 1994. But right now, you have traveled back from the timeline. So this time things have changed. Okay? So 2019, 2020, 2021, things have changed. Maybe the people who are much younger than you are the administrators now. But you people, your body only has turned as 25, 26-year-old. But your mind is still 65, 67 years old. Okay? So how will you bring that, the entire nucleus of energy and the confidence back to win the tournament? Okay? Right? So the tournament will be Team India versus Team Russia. One team will be acting as Team Russia, while the other team will be Team India. So when Amitesh's team is going to defend, Balaji's team will be Team India. When Balaji's team is defending, then striker Amitesh's team will be Team Right. So once you play and you win this game, or once you give your better performance, after the game, we will have a discussion inside as to how you are able to get the energy back. Each and every person will be put into the question form. So it's all going to be hypothetical question and answer. Remember, your age only is 27 now, but your mind, your brain, your multifunctional operational level of the entire system is about 55 or 60 years old. So before the match, there will be a press conference. And in the press conference, the chief journalist will be asking you some questions as to how you are going to accomplish and all that. Both the teams will have to answer that. And only then, the game will be played.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
The game will be soccer or hockey or cricket. It's going to be cricket. We will set three stumps here. And we will have each one.
But if it is cricket, then we won't be able to hit the shots, sir.
Sorry?
If it is cricket, sir, then we won't be able to hit the shots more efficiently, sir.
Yeah, you won't be able to hit. If it is soccer, you will have to prepare
yes,
the
sir.
goal post. We have only one hockey stick today, so we will not be able to play hockey. So we can play soccer, I believe. So penalty shoots not done. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So that's one choice. And choice two is, no, we don't want any physical activity. We will have only presentation.
No, that's something, sir.
What is your choice?
That's not physical.
First one, physical activity. Right. So soccer will be done.
Yes, sir.
How many people say?
Why not?
Yes, Anutesh.
Why not cricket be done?
Cricket, yeah, everybody is comfortable with cricket. We will take a call on this.
I'm fine with that.
You're fine with anything? Yeah.
In one stick we can play hockey. Plastic.
No, that will not be good. Luckily, the plastic stick is not even good.
Served is after.
Because if it's soccer, almost everybody is comfortable with soccer. Cricket, how many people are willingly saying voting for cricket? Let's take a vote. Cricket.
If we want both, can we raise our hand?
Yeah, yeah. It's both. So this hands are for both. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost everybody. Cricket alone. Cricket alone. Nobody. Soccer alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we will do this way. Part of the match will be soccer. So you are basically sports people, and we will change the storyline. As you are very good sports people, you are representing what to say, an international sports academy. So you play both soccer and cricket. Okay, right? But the press conference, you don't know what to expect in the press conference. I might be asking whatever question it may be, because you are coming back from the timeline. You are forgotten heroes. You understand? So you are playing only for 1995, and from 1995 till 2021, nobody was able to hear about you. Nobody read about you in the Wikipedia. Nobody read about you in any of the form of the tabloids and articles and journals. So you people have to first of all echo your kind of expertise. So the journalist is going to be really sarcastic. I'm going to play the role of the journalist. So both the teams will be sitting in the press conference, and you will be asking questions. For each of you, I will be setting up. The names will be the same, but I will be setting up some 1999 94 I might be coming up with some hypothetical situations. You have to be ready with the answers. Smart answers will have the score cup raised.
Okay,
So Mitra, can you take both the score cups?
Our score cup, I took it, sir. So the other score
There's
cup.
one more score cup inside. Go and take it. So Amartesh, Aditya, Mirzabashni, this is a score cup, and the score cup with this color coin is belonging to Team Amartesh. Okay, right?
Okay.
And one blue coin represents 50 points, and one dark blue coin, which is written as 50 on the coin, that actually represents 10 points. So you have coins worth 510. Right?
Yes.
And Anas's team, this
The
one.
Balaji.
This, yeah, Balaji. This red coin represents Anas's team. I mean, sorry, Balaji's team. He scores of a packet of here. Right? So you can count. Each blue coin will be 50. So you have to decide two things for the team in the team talk. How you are going to answer. Point number one. And point number two, you have to set the goal first. Because we are going to play soccer first. And only then people.
And without press conference, sir.
Press conference, you have to decide how you are going to ask. See, what you have to first of all decide in the team talk is answering the questions is a different thing. But first of all, you need to make a presentation. Why did you lose? Yeah, 1994 lund kaanam poninga. Why were you disappearing? And why were you not part of this entire story world for about 2 decades or 3 decades? Right? So you can give whatever reason you imagine within your team. Correct? And put brainstorming points, collect everybody's idea, and then put it across. And then based on that, I will ask questions. Okay? Right? So, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Right, okay. So now, today the cutting sound is going to be a little bit maximum because they are cutting raw sheet. Yesterday they were cutting aluminum sheet. So today they are cutting raw sheet. Now I'm going to adjust it. Okay? Any questions? Team talk time starts. Exactly 15 minutes for the team talk. Amartesh, take charge.